you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Right. In your opinion, what's going on over here? Do you think that, the other legal experts who have been on our show, during the day, during the course of the day, they've gone on to say that this is perhaps an extreme precedence of the punishment which is being meted out for the kind of crime that has been committed here.
I have, although not gone through the judgment, which runs into about 168 pages, but because it is in Gujarati, we could hardly understand Gujarati. But what appears that he has been campaigning in Kolar in 2019, and there he says, and which has been quoted in one of the law journals, is that Nirav Modi, Lalit Modi, Narendra Modi, how come all the thieves have Modi a common surname? And one Purnesh Modi files, he has got nothing, possibly a former BJP member, MLA, he files a complaint. And then he has got every right to make a grievance. But the only, see, I tell you, politics apart, but so far as, or Rahul Gandhi apart, the legal position today is this, and I don't think that Congress should have any cause of concern at the moment. In my assessment, if you see subsection 4 of section 8 of People's Representation Act, for 90 days he has got time. It gets automatically suspended if he has been sentenced for 2 years, which is the maximum punishment under section 500 of Indian Penal Code. Now the sentence gets suspended automatically for a period of 90 days so as to enable him to go and approach the Sessions Court in this case and get the sentence suspended. Now, what happened? There are. See, the latest one is now in Congress. Navjot Singh Sidhu. Navjot Singh Sidhu also suffered a sentence, and it's a reported judgment. It's a reported judgment of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court in 2007, curled down, considered the plethora of decisions which were holding the field at that point of a time, and suspended the sentence and also the conviction, which enabled him to contest election. So I don't think why there is so much of hue and cry. He has got a remedy in law and he has got no immediate concern. I do not know if something has happened immediately. There was somebody has said that the parliament possibly or the speaker has taken some action. And I don't think that so long as subsection 4 of section 8 holds the field, he has no cause of concern really for 90 days. But then the danger, look at the danger which is limping around this man who has been found to be speaking foul languages all over the country. The biggest danger which I see, if you see the sentence under subsection 3 of section 8, it would be his suspension would not only be for the period, say for example 2 years is the maximum punishment, and the law is this, that the court in rare cases should take recourse to giving him maximum punishment. Of course, there has to be justification as to why, if he's a repeat offender, he has been committing this kind of offenses repeatedly, then the court would be justified. But assuming that the sentence is reduced to 6 months or 2 months or 3 months, or it is wiped out, then it is a different question. But so long as the sentence stands as against him even for 1 month or 2 months, he would suffer further suspension of 6 years thereafter. Say, for example, if he has to go to jail ultimately for 3 months, the moment he comes out, for next 6 years, his suspension he can't contest any election for the next 6 years. He will be barred. He will be debarred. Now, that is the biggest danger.
Okay, let me also take a response from Rajalakshmi Joshi as well. Rajalakshmi Joshi, you've heard from Congress. You know what their contention is here. Abhishek Manu Singhvi also coming on, preceded by